Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand, this is a 55 cup the rice cookers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire width about like a 27 inches. And the overall heights, they are about like a 20.5 inches tall. For this top lid diameters, they are about like a 22.5 inches. So as we can see, the manufacturer give you the accessories, these are regulators for you to adapt with the pipes connections, and also have an extra connection for the pipes. And this is a gas connection on the machine body. And we also can see they have two controllers at the front, and one for the starter fire and one for the cookings. And on the side of the units, we do have all the car sheets information about the manufacturers on the body too. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. This top lid, they have a handlebars. We can simply remove it. And also on the two sides, they also have a handlebar to remove this poke too. You can just remove it, and we will see the burners at the bottom. And also you can clean all the inner side after remove. For this diameters, inner side, they are about like a 22.5 inches. And the depth of this unit is about like it's almost about like a 10.5 inches tall. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.